Guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Girl channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to create Weverse account. So first thing you have to do, you have to install the Weverse app from your Apple Store or your Play Store. So once you install it, you click on open and wait for it to load up. So you see the button of login or sign up. So I'm going to sign up because I'm new to Weverse and want to create an account. So you click on the sign up and you can choose to sign up with Google or with email. I really find it very easy to actually sign up with my Google because my Google is going to input all my information for me once. But let's just use email just for anybody that wants to go through the stress. So you can see you have to impute, and okay, let's do it anyways. So I'll put in my, I clicked on login, sign up. Okay. So let's go. I'm going to impute my Gmail account and click on send verification. Email invalid. That's the problem I'm going to face with this. How lots of okay. Send. Okay, they're going to send the code and I'm just going to enter in a password right there and pray it works out. Okay, and I'm going to confirm. Just going to simply copy. Oh, there's no box for copying, so I'm going to impute the same password again and confirmed, and I need the code. Okay, I'll just fill up this. So they give me a username already, username. So I'm going to copy that just in case I forget. So now let's go to my Gmail and copy up the code. Okay, so you can see the code right here. So I'm just going to copy up the code and go impute it right there. Okay, and we are good to go. Click on verify. It's going to verify. Click on next. So right here you have to click on agree all of sign up and click on OK. Your sign up is completed and this is your account. Your account is all set up. Click on allow. So this is the Weverse app. So this is very easy to create an account. Then you can start using. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and never subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. That's my next video. Bye.